Welcome to Hindi English 91. This is the IELTS speaking practice. Today, we will discuss the latest speaking topic. The subject of the day is describe an art exhibition that you visited. In the question, you should answer the following sub-questions. When you saw this exhibition, where the exhibition was held, what was on display, and explain your impression of the exhibition. When I was a little boy, I went to a museum near my home that was exhibiting life-size wax sculptures. It was in a large room in the museum. The wax figures showed people from different occupations and different poses. Each looked so real that it almost seemed as if a real person was standing there and staying perfectly still. For the first half hour when I was in the room, I was sure that one of the figures would begin to move, and that I would finally prove that they were just people. The skill of the sculptor was amazing in how each one was perfectly made to exhibit the human body's texture, posture and size. I was especially amazed at the wax figure of the cowboy. It seemed that he came right out of an old Western movie with his cowboy pants, gun, and spurred boots. There was also the figure of a woman at a beach, with a swimsuit, towel, sunglasses, and surfboard. There was a policeman, his hand held out to stop traffic with a whistle in his mouth. There was a mechanic, with his hand resting on the hood of a car that he had just fixed, and the illusion of grease smudges all over his hands, face and clothes. As a young boy, I was amazed at how someone could make a statue look so real. This is an example of describe an art exhibition that you visited. You can modify your answer. We hope you like this video. You can send us your story in the comment section. We are making a video every day. You can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for IELTS speaking practice. Thank you. Stay tuned. Hindi English 91.